Hi traders, Anthony here. Okay, we're going to have a quick update on the last few trade signals that I've sent into VIP. How are they stacking up, and how can we manage these? So we've had a few. It's been quite a nice outcome from Monday. So what we'll do is we'll go into TradingView and we'll run through them quickly. I've got them highlighted in green. I'll just start from the bottom and work up. This dollar Swissy trade, I sent a note into Discord a few moments ago to just take 70% off the table now. It's been a little bit slow, this one. Now we're in the money, 70% off the table, and then just pull your stop loss up where you're in profit and it's risk-free. That was the note that I posted here. Okay, the next one is the dollar CAD. This one's still running. We'll just let that play out and see how we go. The US 500, I sent a note into Discord, mentioned to close it early. This was just a quick trade looking for a retrace. We took it and worked out quite nicely. The US 100, this is a short. We're still in this one, although I will call it a winning trade. Once we reach target 1, you can close 70% now and pull your stop loss down and trail this one and enjoy the ride pretty much. New Zealand Kiwi dollar, same thing here. So we've definitely reached target 1, and this is where we can trail the price with our stop loss in the money, risk-free, and see what we get out of it. Euro dollar, same thing with this one. We can take 70% off the table now if you haven't already, and trail price with our stop loss. Aussie dollar. So these are the signals sent Monday, Tuesday, 2 days. Quite a profitable beginning of the week. It's been really good. Same thing with this one now. Make sure you close 70% and trail the rest with your stop loss. Now, if you haven't already, join Discord. The link is below. We do send free signals into this section down here, the Traders Zone. This was the NASDAQ trade signal sent in yesterday. But seriously, from $10.95 a month, look at all the trades we're taking and profits made in VIP. Go up here to join VIP, and in here you'll see the history of our trade signals sent into our VIP. 85% win rate. Join from $10.95 a month. Go to the website. Here's the link here. It's tradingwithanthony.com, and here are some options. Quite a few people seem to go for this one, but this is incredibly affordable. I look forward to sharing the journey with you.